everybody. Just back here, short little video. I'm hoping it's helpful to some people. I have some interest from a viewer on these handles that I make out of bucket handles for carrying traps and everything. That's all they are, just made out of bucket handles. I was out here making some right now, and I have given some of these to a lot of friends of mine, and they really enjoy them. Some YouTube friends, I've sent some, and they really enjoy them. Like I said, just out of bucket handles. I got a bunch of bucket handles down here. I mean, those are all bucket handles here, and then this is what I do with them. I just put it right through the swivels, and then you just clip it together, and then you carry, I put a half a dozen traps on each one, and then I just grab them and go when I'm trapping. So I wanted to just show you how simple and easy this is to make these. I mean, you just gotta bend this little tab here, because they got bends on them where they hook into the bucket. Just straighten them out. They're pretty easy to work with. Get you a big pair of pliers. Sometimes I put them in the vise and use that, but this is just as easy. Then all I do is start making my loop a little bit at a time, just bending it around. Just like that. Then once I get it all the way around, I'll straighten it like that. And then I'll take this end, and all I do is bend this up. Just like that. Then all you gotta do is bend it down around, clip it in on itself. It's that simple. But like I said, one viewer contacted me, emailed me, and asked if he could buy some, and I told him, I said, I got a video out there making them, but I don't know, he just couldn't get the bucket handles, or he said he just wanted me to make them for him. So I told him I could, and I said, if there's more people out there that are interested, I'm going to start selling them for $20 a dozen, and you pay the shipping. I mean, it's not a lot, but I mean, I got to make something on it if I'm going to do it. And it is my time, you know. So I just wanted to show you how to make them. So if you like them and you want some, make your own. But if you want me to make you some, I'll make you some. Email me. My email's in the about description of my channel here. So we'll get you set up that way. Another product that I wanted to share with you, I just got this from North American Trapper. I'll try to put a link in the description of this video for Alan's video. He's selling pre-cut cables now for snares or stakes or whatever, and they're laser cut, so you can see how that is. There's no burrs, none. It like cauterizes the end of each cut. So I ordered them. They come, the smallest amount you can buy. They come in 5 dozen. So I'm going to use this for my wolf fangs. But if you look right here, he's got different lengths. But these are 21 inches, and I have a spot marked here and here that says wolf fangs. That's when I usually cut my own cable, and that's exactly what I was already making them at. So that was perfect. They're super cheap and super, I mean, like I said, there's no burrs on them, real nice. You don't end up like with something like this, you know, you get that burr on there, and then it sticks your hands or tears your gloves, or when you make a catch, a lot of times the polyfill or stuff will get wrapped around that. And this is going to be a lot nicer, so I'm going to start making some more wolf fangs too. I just wanted to show you this and hope it's helpful to somebody. And if it is, or get a hold of me if you're interested in something like this. Get a hold of North American Trapper if you're looking for some pre-cut cable, because it's really nice and very affordable. So I want to show you up here. This is how when I put my traps on those hangers, I put some rods through that board up there, and then I just hang them up there like that. Then they're all out of the way and they're all taken care of. Except for the coyote traps stay outside, but they're dipped and they stay outside, but they're hung up with those just like that, half dozen at a time. So I just wanted to show you that, and hope it helps you. Like I said, till the next video, good luck with everything.